Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to compare the decimal numbers. So first we have 0.9 and 0.89. Let us write 0.9 and 0.89 so that the decimal points are aligned under each other. Now in 0.89 there are two decimal places. So let us write a placeholder 0 in 0.9. So now we have 0.90. Start comparing the digits from left to right. First we have 0 which is same in both the numbers. Let us move forward one digit towards the right. So we have 9 and 8. 9 is bigger than 8, so 0.90 is bigger than 0.89. So we have greater than sign between 0.9 and 0.89. Let us do 2.57 and 2.572. We have written both the numbers so that the decimal points are aligned under each other. Now in 0.572 there are three decimal places, so let us write its placeholder 0 in 2.57. Start comparing the digit from left to right. First digit is 2 which is same in both the numbers. Then we have 5 which is also same in both the numbers. Then we have 7 which is also same in both the numbers. Then we have 0 and 2. 0 is smaller than 2. So 2.570 means 2.57 is smaller than 2.572. Now we have 6.3471 and 6.348. In 6.3471 there are four decimal places, so let us write a 0 as a placeholder. Now start comparing digits from left to right. So first digit is 6 which is same in both the numbers. Then we have 3 which is same in both the numbers. Then we have 4 which is also same in both the numbers. But after that we have 7 and 8. 7 is smaller than 8. So 6.3471 is smaller than 6.348. Now we have 1.432 and 14.32. We have written both the numbers so that the decimal point are aligned under each other. Now in the whole part of 1.432 we have only one digit, so let us write a placeholder 0 there and a placeholder in 14.320 in the decimal part. Now let us start comparing the digit from left to right. So first digit is 0 and 1. 0 is smaller than 1. So 1.432 is smaller than 14.32. Hope this video will help you how to compare the decimal numbers.